Yo. Alright guys, welcome back. I have something to discuss today. It's pretty crazy. 2 days ago I started taking Lexapro because I have like severe anxiety, stress. It's almost like an OCD where I can't stop thinking. That's why especially something like this, the Mandela effect has almost drove me insane because I can't stop thinking about it and thinking why and how. So the Lexapro is supposed to be good at helping with that. I've taken it 2 nights now. You're supposed to take it before you go to bed. But I woke up this evening because I work night shift, so I usually wake up at least by 3 p.m. And today I slept until 7. I woke up and things just felt weird. You might be able to hear Noah right now. He's at the door. But I can't explain it. Things just feel weird today. Me, Sarah, Noah, we went to the store, got some pop, stopped by the gas station to get some gas, and there was 2 females outside arguing, fighting. We go down to the dollar store, and there were 2 people, maybe even, I think a third came up, and they were arguing and fighting. We stop and get something to eat, and in the drive-thru, the manager is sitting like outside the drive-thru, and she's on the phone, and she is fighting with someone on the phone. I look at Sarah and I said, I'm telling you, something is weird today. Something is off. I'll also mention that tonight is the first night that I've seen the moon in at least a couple of weeks again. But I've seen somebody post a video saying the A.1 steak sauce has changed. So again, A.1 steak sauce, this is one of those iconic logos that I'm pretty sure we all remember. It is now A.1 steak sauce. I mean, look at I've looked up commercials going back to the 60s and 80s. The dash is gone. And for the life of me, I can't understand why. Why would that change? Why is it now A.1? There was a dash there. I mean, look at the title of the video, A-1 steak sauce. I mean, this person is posting a video about A.1 steak sauce, and they put the dash. And I mean, I try to find like some fan art or something that the universe might have missed. But A.1 cartoon, maybe. And I told Sarah about it, and she was like, okay, whatever. Like, she's like, nobody's gonna sit and look at everything and remember what it says. You don't know it used to be A-1. So I showed her like I don't know, all the proof, people calling it A-1. But there was one image. Let's see, A1 restaurant. One of the image searches, it brought up like a A-1 restaurant or something. A-1 restaurant. She was like, there it is, see? A-1 deli restaurant. Why would that be A-1? And if you look on Twitter, look at all the people. A-1. A-1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call or email the makers of A1 steak sauce, and I'm going to ask them point blank if they have ever been A-1. I did the same exact thing with the side view mirrors. Let's see. First call about side view mirror. Check this
Press
out.
1. To check on the status of your order, press 2. If stock notification and you wish to order, call you back as soon as the next agent becomes available. So that's right, you won't lose your place in line, and you can do something else important for the next few minutes while we help the customer in front of you. You probably have better things to do. To choose Ring Me Back, press 1.
Product dependent are continuing.
They're called Ring You Back. Otherwise, please
Internet retailers. Time will be
Yes, I have a question about side view mirrors. Do you guys sell them, or do you guys manufacture them, or what do you do?
So we remanufacture the parts, sir.
Okay, well, my question may sound odd, but do you know the writing that's on side view mirrors that says objects are closer than they appear? You know what I'm
Yes,
talking about?
yes, sir, for the convex and the concave.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
exactly. Me and a lot of people remember that it used to say objects may be closer than they appear. Was this a change, or did that never exist?
It okay. Don't want to give you false information, sir, but that will be verified by the part specialist. Because but usually, sir, there's already a writing before.
Alright, I'll just say I gave this lady my phone number, and she was supposed to have the parts specialist call me, and I never received that phone call.
I'm familiar with it, sir.
Okay,
It might
so
be you again.
who would I get a hold of to find out who puts the writing on those mirrors?
Okay, that will be the part specialist.
Okay, how do I get in touch with them? Because I
But
mean, this is something
unfortunately,
that's just really
mhm,
blown my mind.
mhm.
I've done research, and alright, now listen to what she's about to say. I cannot find that it ever existed, and I swear to you, I remember it saying that.
Yes, sir. I also remember it, sir. Yes, sir. I also remember it, sir. Yes, sir. I also remember it, sir. But unfortunately, sir, the parts department is also getting a great volume of call. So if you want, can we give you a call back, or the parts department can give you a call back? What would be the best number to call you?
So, you heard her say she also remembers the objects may be closer. So anyway, back to this A1 steak sauce. If you look at Google Trends, the blue is A-1 steak sauce searches from 2004 to now, and the red is A.1 dot, and that's what it is now. If you look, look, there's even a A-1 Chinese. A-1 battery. These people used the A-1 because it was so popular from A1 steak sauce. But yeah, look, there's an A1.1. So you can clearly see that more people have searched A-1. So let's just try the A.1. Let's take off the second dot. None have searched that. So let's put it back to the way it is now, A1.1. More people have searched A-1 steak sauce. Because that's what it is. That's what it's supposed to be. Comments, people. What do you remember? Do you also remember A-1? I just find it odd that every time I look up one of these changes, 2004, it's always way up here, and it goes down and down and down and down. Somewhere around 2012, it just drops off every time. I mean, watch with the so objects may be closer. Look, boom, 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 boom. 2012. Why, guys? Come on, tell me. Let's put our minds together. What is the significance of A-1 or A.1? Why would something so insignificant change? I don't get it. I don't understand. And I pray to God that the Lexa Pro allows me to at least turn off the thoughts. I don't want it to make me a zombie where I can't think. That's the opposite of what I want, but it's the negative thoughts I want to shut out. Anyways, I was trying to find like the patent office or whatever and see the A1 steak sauce, but I was unsuccessful. So, can anybody find some residual evidence that it was A-1? That is everyone's homework assignment. Let's prove to people that we're not crazy, guys. I will continue looking into this. I will continue looking into the objects may be closer. And I will continue looking into Jesus was hung on a tree. Yeah, it now says that. In at least 5 different books of the Bible, it references Jesus hung from a tree. Do you guys feel different today? Like, seriously, things just feel different. Keep your eyes open and never conform to the norm. Till next time, see y'all later.